25.2, we'll be solving inequalities with absolute value signs. Now, the rule is, if your absolute value, your absolute value needs to appear on the left and your number on the right, and the absolute value is less than that number, the way to deconstruct this is to remove the absolute values, have A less than B, then repeat the sign on the other side of A and take the opposite of B here. And this will give you then you solve from here. Now, for the greater than sign, your absolute value is greater than B. This will be split into two pieces, a right side piece and a left side piece. Your right side piece, you simply remove the absolute values and you get A is greater than B. For your left side, you're going to change both the inequality and the sign of B. So this will be A is less than negative B. All right, so let's take a look at this first one where you're using the less than sign. We have 2x plus 6, absolute value of 2x plus 6 is less than 10. So we're going to remove the absolute values. So this becomes 2x plus 6. And then keep the less than and the 10. So less than 10. Then we'll repeat the sign on the other side. So another less than. And then take the opposite of the number here. Opposite of 10. Well, it looks like 110, doesn't it? Okay. Let's get rid of one of these ones. All right, the opposite of 10 is going to be negative 10. And now we'll solve. First, we will solve for x in the middle by subtracting 6 from all sides. This will give us a negative 16 less than 2x, and that'll be less than, combine these, we get 4. Now I'm going to divide all sides by 2 in order to get x by itself. So divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here. We will get a negative 8 is less than 1x and less than 2. Now the graph for this is going to be open circles on a line segment from negative 8 to 2. And then let's see, we have the set notation, the graph, and the interval notation will be negative 8 on the right, negative 8 on the left, 2 on the right, comma between. And since this does not include negative 8, we'll have parentheses. This does not include 2, so this will be a parentheses. Now number 5, same thing. This is a less than, so we're going to use the rule where we're going to remove the absolute value signs and then add another inequality on the other side and take the opposite of the number here. So this will be 3x minus 9, and that's less than or equal to 12. And we're going to repeat the sign here, less than or equal to, and then we'll put a negative 12 on this side, which is the opposite of positive 12. Now to solve for x, I have to add 9 here on the inside. What we do on the inside, you do on all sides. So we put a plus 9 everywhere. As a result, we'll get a negative 3 here, less than or equal to 3x, and less than or equal to, and this will be 21. Now we'll divide all sides by 3 to get the x by itself. So divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, and we end up with negative 1 less than or equal to 1x less than or equal to 7. Now the graph for this is a line segment that goes from negative 1 to 7 with closed circles to include the negative 1 and the 7. Now the interval notation for this will be left side negative 1, right side 7 with comma between, and a bracket showing that we're including negative 1 and a bracket showing that we're including 7.